Hey guys, Andrew here from Learn How to Trade Online. In today's video, I want to talk a little bit about how you can trade in a very short period of time. So we're talking 20-30 minutes a day in front of the screen. Get in, place your orders, walk away from the screen, let the market do its thing. You come back and collect the profits. Sound too good to be true? Well, it's exactly what you could be doing with some of my trading systems. And you're going to learn more about that on Thursday in this upcoming webinar. You're going to see exactly how it works. And I'm going to go through now and just talk you through the trades for this month so far on one of my swing trading systems. Now, this swing trading system is called the Smash Day system. It takes 20 to 30 minutes a day if you're bad at using a computer. If you're brand new to trading, 30 minutes a day, it's a really, really short period of time to get a good result. Now, I trade this on, 19 different currencies, plus a few stock indices, plus gold and oil. So a variety of different markets. It's a simple enough approach. It's purely mechanical. There's no moving averages on there. It's purely price-based, and it's a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio. Now, I'm not going to go through the exact system right now, but I'm going to go through all the trades of it to give you an idea as to what it's capable of. So on the Euro USD, and I've got my watch list here, I'm going to go through all of these so you get an idea as to what it's achieved. But starting at the top, Euro USD generated a signal here that lost. All right, let's actually, there we go. All right, so trade that lost, -1. This trade here then won for a 2-to-1, so +2. And then this trade's currently running, so I can't count it as a winner or a loser yet. It's still in the market. So Euro USD currently had 1 win, 1 loss, but of course at 2-to-1 reward to risk, you're still ahead. Cable so far this month's been pretty good. Cable's had a trade down here. If I squeeze it up, actually caught the very bottom of the market, which was quite nice. So right down here, bottom of the market, long, and ran for the 2-to-1, which is lovely. So let's just add that one on. The +2 for cable. It didn't catch this move down this month. It actually got short back up here and got some of this move, but it didn't get the entire move. But catching a low was particularly nice. Dollar Swiss next. 2 trades so far this month. One that just got stopped out and one that's currently running in a very small profit. So can only count the loser there, -1. But can you see how with having 2 wins and 2 losses, actually banked trades so far, you're still ahead? That's the beauty of having bigger wins than losses, and that's the name of the game really. And I'm only 3 currency pairs in, but +2 -1, +2 -1, you've made what most banks would give you in a year, and that's in less than a month on 3 currency pairs. Dollar yen had a trade that lost, so shorted here, got stopped out recently. So -1. New Zealand dollar caught the lows as well, just like cable for a 2-to-1 winner, which is very nice. So +2 on that one. Aussie, I don't think Aussie's traded. No, it's not. I put all the arrows in to help me identify them, so there was no signals on the Aussie. Dollar Canadian has not been great. Couple of losses there. Got triggered up here and stopped out, and I got triggered here and stopped out. So 2 more -1s. Euro Australian, no trades this month, mainly because of the Australian dollar. Euro Canadian, only the 1 signal that lost. Euro Pound, 1 signal which also lost. At this point you're freaking out, oh my gosh, there's 4 losses. Euro Yen, 2 trades, 1 from here caught this move down, and then this Smash Day system caught it back up again as well. So really good month on Euro Yen, 2 +2s. Euro New Zealand, trade here that got stopped out, got triggered in, started to go the right way. Institutions ran my stop before they pushed it up, which is a bit annoying, but it's a -1 there. Now, if I just drag this screen across, I've got all the pound crosses on this one. Just pop that in there. So pound Australian's in a trade. It's not hit target or stop loss. It's down ever so slightly right now. Pound Canadian, no trades this month. Pound Swiss, from the beginning of the month, was a 2-to-1 winner. Pound Yen, no signals this month, which is a bit of a shame. Managed to get short up here through a different system, but purely on the smash day there was no trade this month. Pound New Zealand, currently long and short, not hit target on either or stop loss, so I can't count anything there either. Aussie Swiss franc had one loss. Aussie yen had a 2-to-1 winner and one trade that's currently running in a small profit, so I can only count the 2-to-1 winner. Then looking into gold or commodities now, gold's got one trade that's currently winning, but again I can't count it because it's not hit target or stop. Oil, one trade that lost. And then moving on to the stock indices, nothing on the Nasdaq this month, which is surprising, but the S&P and the Dow Jones particularly have been very good. S&P is currently running in a profit, not hit target yet, so I can't count this, but it's very close to target, which is nice. And Dow Jones, 2 trades, both won. So nice little finisher there on +2 each. Now, how many wins have you got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 wins. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 losses. So, less than a 50-50 success rate. Very close though. 9 wins though are worth positive 18 because the wins are worth +2 each, right? Take away the 10 losses. Doesn't take a genius to work out. +8 overall. What does that mean for you? Well, let's assume that you're risking 1% per trade. That's 8% so far this month on a simple system that you can trade in 20 minutes a day. Doesn't get much better than that. And when you go through onto Thursday's webinar, I'm going to go into this in more detail, give you some great content, and just make sure that you're there, because if you're not there, you're not going to be able to get access to this great content I'm going to go through. I'm sure you'd be happy being up 8% so far this month on one trading system. And if you're not up 8% so far this month, you need to make sure that you're there on Thursday for the webinar at 11 AM PST or 7 PM British Summer Time. Thanks guys, enjoy the rest of your day, speak to you soon.